Hey, what's up, Negros Live? Ako Galisilid Butchia. And this is E-Boy. Yeah.
E-Boy.
Yeah. Kami ang Butchi Gang. Kami ang represent sa mga hip-hop daw rappers nga. Wala man talento, pugarap. So, for our first song, this is Piksa or Puro Ka Sana All. Yeah. Sorry para sa mga tao nga sa social media, puro sana all ang gyapon. 2020 na sana all gyapon. Yeah. Are. Yeah. Puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Sa Facebook comments at post mo ay puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Naiinis na ako sa'yo kasi puro ka sana all. Sila, maraming pera, kotse, Honda. Sila, may love life, jowa, maganda di chamba. Ikaw, inggit na nakatingin, walang pumapansin. Ano ngayon? Ito dapat mong alamin. Ba't ganito tayo mag-isip? Di makontento sa sarili mong trip. Lagi kang naiinggit. Huwag na magumpara. Mahalin ano meron ka. Kesa sa stories nila kay nakatulala. May pa-Starbucks na din kahit budget bitin.
Di naman kami bro, pero bro, ano ba? Parang di na maganda yung kinakanta niya. Bakit ba lahat ng alam ay puro pagdodroga? Puro walang kwenta, babae minumura at pinambabasos ang inyong syota. Sana napunta ang respeto? Tingin mo, matutuwa sa atin si Kiko? Wala nang maayos na kwento.
Kababayan, kabataan, pag-asa ng bayan. Puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Sa Facebook comments at post mo ay puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Naiinis na ako sa'yo kasi puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Sa Facebook comments at post mo ay puro ka sana all. Puro ka sana all. Naiinis na ako sa'yo kasi puro ka sana all. Tama na. Sulit na. Sulit, maka mo sana all, be. Kundi sulit, ito naman ang puro ka sana all. No? Yan. Puro ka sana all. Butchi Gang. We would like to thank Ayala Malls. And our next song is Pulita. Are-are para sa mga migot ang kailangan gin magpulik. Virus mo. Ito may mo. Puli lang taan na ya. Hindi natin sa bakulod. May pati chill. Are. Butchi Gang. Come on. Pulita. Pulita. Yeah. Pulita. Yeah. Pulita. Pulinata. Pulita. Pulita. Kay wala na taobra, nagsara kumpanya. Pulita. Way na pambayad renta, ubus ang kwarta. Way na pambayad. Pulita. Bisan wala ga droga, galiniwang lata. Pulita. Gapinigado na kita, di ko kakwanta. Pulita. Bakulo danay, pasagot naman ta ginagmay. Sa store ni tita, dito ta mabulig bentay. Pwede na kong hatagang gamay. Makapangapilang at tambay. Kung way kwarta ate paano ni wala pa ang kape pangayo tubig.
Manila, sobrang hirap dyan kumita. Sakto lang sa sahod na ibayad sa landlady mong maldita.
Yeah.
Talk toxic. Ayoko nang langhapin, usok ng traffic. Sikip ng bakat na brief. Yung lurt, pas o yung jeep. Mapaya pa dito kahit nakatulog ka sa kanto. Sigurado, walang istorbo. Magigising ka na lang sa sariling hilik mo. At parang lahat ng tao magkakasundo. Kilala ni ano si ano. Gulat ka na lang yung ex mo, ex ko.
Ex ko? Pulita. 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 Pulinata. Pulita. Pulita. Yeah. Pulina. 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 Show to the world
whatever we know.
Show to the world whatever we know about living and keeping the flow. We slipping and slipping this too. Halandumo may foamy in you. Si Mayor bing guapo guapo.
This yellow Gucci better than Chinese Gucci.
Medyo tamang ka-sweet, pwede udo ng fit pa o sa elevator. Pulita. 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 Pulinata. Pulita. 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 Yeah. Pulinata. Huwag ta kwarta eh. Dito lang sa balay. Tambay-tambay ta to, chill. Gaming ta? Kamu naman nag-usos mong gaming, no? Once again, this is Lil Butchie and E-Boy. Yeah, we're the Butchie gang. Yeah.
Good day, guys. Yeah, we are the Stone Trooper, and before we start, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Yeah, Omnibus Music, Zil Team, KP Photos, Headrush, 13th Studios, 13th Street, Pareya, Ayala Mall, Capital Central, DNX Studio, and Quarter Wave Audio.
First song, find us. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the sun, I couldn't wait when I had some fun. Don't get it too much of the burning fire. Do it for me, is what I'm doing. doing for you. You wanna stop what we done, but he cannot find us. He cannot find us. He cannot find us. Coming looking for me, I'm coming looking for you. We're coming smoking to dust, so let this burning fire we do it for me. It's what I'm doing for you. You wanna stop what we done, but it cannot find us. It cannot find us. Cannot find us. Cannot find us. I watch people move on the move, fight over their stations, voices slowly rolling out there. The bus beyond the joint, I let the bone rip and jump and jack it slow, get out there. It's really on you, it's really around you. What you gonna do when your big fat fools age piping rebel music? You let that movement come what the truth says. Cannot find us. We cannot find us. Are rolling out there, and I miss a moment out there. touch me, oh baby, you make me and say you got me on the groove. Wanna let it out, 'cause baby, you look lovely every time I hit on. Also got you on the move. Sunrise comes and the moon starts to fade away. With the one I love was as good as yesterday. So now I'm singing it. Afternoons I'm singing goof love, even doobie doop love, and I break heading. Afternoons I'm singing goof love. Oh la da 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 la da la. I'm singing goof love. Oh, la da 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 la da da. Crazy, oh baby, you wash my brain, you got me on this show. Come on and let it out. That's the way you level, say you lean out your window. Motor got you on the road. Sunset comes and the moon turns in so gray. With the one I love was as good as yesterday. So now I'm singing it. I'm singing goof love, even doobie doop love, and I break pain. Afternoons I'm singing goof love. Oh la da 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 la da la. I'm singing goof love. Oh la da 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 la da la. Such a goof love, living doobie doop love. I'm singing goof love, living doobie doop love. I'm such a goof, goof, goof. I'm goof love, love, love. La da da da. Oh, la da